welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great outdoor cooking. I know a Caribbean vibe style way of cooking. So today we are doing some Cowmouth and bean, and we are doing some boiled food, and you know say that I go cook today. So I show you my way of how me cook it. And I want to take the time out again to say big up to everyone who support my channel from day one, guys. I also want to say a big thank you to the person them who just subscribe to my channel. Guys, thank you for being a part of the cooking channel. I really appreciate the love and the support. And for all of the viewers, you need to come on board and support the channel and subscribe to the channel, because you guys are missing out. There's a lot of awesome content that I know you guys gonna like. So just support the channel, support the movement, subscribe to the channel. See that fire blaze up. I cook the bean now, so I add 1 cloves of garlic in it, make it go and simmer and go and help me cook the peas. So I'm just cut them up in some small bits of pieces. So I use some fresh scallion, some onion, some pepper, some garlic, and some all-purpose season, meat season, pimento seed, some chopped thyme, some ginger. So basically I'm going to season and taste. So I add small bits of portion just in case it need anything more, then we can add it to the meat. I add the garlic and the pepper. I'm going to add the season, which is the meat season and the all-purpose season. So I'm going to add just a little bit of browning, just to add a little bit of color to the meat, not too much. I'm going to rub them in now, and then so I'll go on. So I'm just done season up the meat. So now I'm going to make it marinate for 30 minutes. And then, as you guys can see, the peas up on the fire I go and cook. So I go check on the peas, and then I go make the meat go and marinate, and then start the cooking. So the peas I go and cook. In the meantime, I go add in the meat in the pot now. Make the meat go on. Simmer down, So, I will stir now. And I go cover it. I go cover the meat, guys. Make the meat go and produce liquid for itself before actually add any water in the pot. So guys, so I cover the pot and make it go and produce one liquid, as just explained. And the peas are going to cook same way. I'm going to add some water in the pot now, because the meat are itch. I know so I don't want it to burn, so I'm going to add some water now. I'm going to add like small bits of water, so the meat can just take in time and go and cook the meat. Caribbean vibe style. cooking today again, so you know, another great vlog. Now we are trying to keep the thing real and simple. That's the most important part about doing what you love, being real and simple. Guys, so I'm checking on the meat to go and cook. And guys, however, if you are thinking about cooking the cow mouth, I am recommending that you use a pressure cooker and get it tender, even pressure it for 10-15 minutes so the meat can pressure, because cow mouth or cow foot or cow skin can be tough sometimes, but I'm choosing to do mine on a outdoor cooking. So the peas practically done cook. I'm going to take off the peas and then just make the cow mouth go and cook. Guys, so the meat done cook, so I'm going to re-season the pot here now. And I have the next pot. I'm going to cook the food in a said speed. I'm going to add the seasoning at the pot now, guys. So I'm going to use some tomato, some sweet pepper, some scallion, some carrot, Irish potato, I'm going to also add a piece of thyme, but the thyme leaving at the house, so I get the thyme. So guys, see the yellow yam, the sweet potato, green banana, cornmeal dumpling. That's the way we are going today. As I see the pot boil up, so we are putting in the dumpling them in the pot, you know. So we are knead up the dumpling. Good old cornmeal dumpling in the day here. You can go better on this. So we are make some small little dumpling. Now no big old dumpling. Small dumpling. Small little baby dumpling. I don't want big old dumpling in that place. So people are going. Guys, I want to get 100 likes today on this video here. 100 likes today. I want to put on this video here today. Guys, if I reach 500 subscribers in this month, I do my first live video. So I want to reach 500 subscribers before December finish, and then we start go live, because we just want to reach certain target, so we can have a one-on-one and you guys can see some live cooking same way with you guys are gonna like them the video the same way. So I go add in the yellow yam, you know, and make the pot go and simmer down. Then we add in the sweet potato, and then we add the banana, because the banana easy to cook, like 5 minutes and the banana cook. Cover out the pot now, and I'll check on the next pot now. Pot look good. So I add in the yam in the pot now. Yellow yam. Then go and cook with the dumpling. And then I eat that. And then I go add the bean. So guys, can you see the bean? I add in the bean. And I add some ketchup. Now the pot now. So I make it go and simmer down. While I go for the fish and meat sauce, guys, cause I remember say I never killed the fish and meat sauce come out. So everything will go on good, everything will good. So I add in the sweet potato them in the pot and our people. Then go and cook. So I add in the banana, which are the last thing I go in the pot now. And add some cooking oil in the pot. Because the cooking oil now will help prevent from the banana to change color or the food in the pot change color. Because you know the banana is a thing that stains. So that's how I do it. You can add all piece of the banana skin. But this is how I do it. We just add some cooking oil. So the meat pot done meat I go and simmer. I will take it off of the fire, you know. I check on the food, the dumpling and the banana, everything done cook now. So you know, so I come if you come off of a fire, you know. Guys, this is my Cowmouth with bean and boiled food. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing for more awesome content.